If you've ever built or taken apart a mechanical keyboard, then you know that it's filled with these tiny little mechanical switches. This is the Cherry MX switch, and we've actually been carrying this one for about a year or two now. And it is a normal size switch, and it goes on to a normal size breakout that we carry as well. And the reason why I say normal is because now we are carrying the NovelKeys Big Switch series. This version of the NovelKeys Big Switch series is actually the tactile version. You can tell because it has the burnt orange color around it. They also offer a clicky version, which is in blue, and then a linear version, which is in yellow. All the switches have a voltage rating of 12 volts max, a current rating of 10 milliamps max, and they last for about 5 million cycles, or presses. Each key is fully functional and works just like a normal mechanical switch would. To show that it is a fully functional mechanical switch, we've actually hooked it up to a Pro Micro and written a script that allows us to save any document that we are currently working on, to save early and save often, and attached a little LED indicator to let us know when we should be saving over and over again. So if I were just to type the little red warning indicator is telling me, hey, you need to save now. And you can set this to whatever light frequency that you want to have on. So it could go for a minute, or it could go for 10 or more. Up to you. Save, and the save command pops up. By no means is the NovelKeys Big Switch series at all practical, but it is fun, and it is, like we said, fully functional. It even will work with our Cherry MX breakout, just running a few lines to it instead of soldering it directly into the board. So there are options for you as well. So if you are interested in trying to make a gigantic keyboard or anything else that could use a nice tactile switch, make sure to pick up the NovelKeys Big Switch series. For a, make it a little bit more of a, I scratch my head. Actually hooked it up to, I don't like actually. It's a fully functional, I didn't say it. I did it, but I didn't do it the first time, that was fun. For about a year to now, that was too long of a pause. How was I gonna start that? Okay, right.